It ain't hard to tell we winning. Foreign cars, tailored suits that's made of linen. Passports that can tell you the spots we been in. Resorts we only visit for the weekend. In Shreveport, the Virgin Islands, no sleeping. 5 in the morning, watching the sun peeking. Pool on the balcony, skinny dipping with a model that I met last night. She say she got a man, but he don't treat her right. And I can understand, but baby, it's just life. Some do what they can, others do what they like. Life is a gamble, go ahead and roll the dice. You only live once, but you gotta think twice. I only fuck once, but I made a nut twice. Breaking up the blunt, champagne on ice. I can give you what you want, but only for tonight. She gotta catch a cab, I gotta catch a flight. I smacked her on her ass and told her keep that thing tight. Grabbed my Louis bag and I proceeded to the door. And then I heard the high heels clicking on the marble floor. Then I heard the high heels clicking on the marble floor. Yeah, then I heard the high heels. Hold up, don't go. Stay another day. Don't be that smooth criminal that came and took my heart away. Just like a thief in the night. I just told her don't forget me. Then she replied, out of mind, out of sight. Next time I'm in your city, I'll look you up. If you still fucking with me, I'll hook you up. But if not, then it's cool though. Spending my nights in the studio, chasing my dreams. Baby, I'm on airplane mode. You gon' need you some wings. Yeah, you can be my stewardess. Rockin' only the newest shit. They don't know what to do with this. Authentic, true religion shit. Marc Jacob, Aviator mirror tint. Car tinted, you can't see who in the shit. As you can see, I gotta catch a cab, I gotta catch a flight. I smacked her on her ass and told her keep that thing tight. Grabbed my Louis bag and I proceeded to the door. And then I heard the high heels clicking on the marble floor. Then I heard the high heels clicking on the marble floor. Yeah, then I heard the high heels. I'm sorry I led you on, calm before the storm. Who would've known she would blow up like a bomb? Guessing I'm not the first rapper that she let fucking get away. Damn baby, get away. It's what I wanted to say, but I just held my composure and let her cry on my shoulder. You can have any nigga you want is what I told her. So why you high roller? She replied, you can't help who you love. And besides, it's just something about a thug. That ain't love, it's just sex. I just fucked, and we just met. But no, I ain't judging you. Your baby daddy's buzzing you.